Okay, now you see my page. So I got my direction here. Final lines and dining value base titles. I have a title. That's not it. Oops. I'm gonna start over again. So I got a title I'm writing. It's food and wine hacks for recession times. And this is something I know I can post in some different areas. Again, this is just an article I'm writing. I'm not going to have this listed in my categories, but I'm going to utilize it as a message. It's something I can post out on social media, things I can tie places and post. And it's made, I'm literally using it as I'm putting a line out there, I'm fishing with it. So that's my key phrase. I'm going to go into my backup, and I'm going to go into where's my anchors? Okay, fine. DTCA. Okay. So DT ambassador pages. I'm gonna get my backup set up. Yeah, I'll go back to that. New Google Doc. We get this started. And that's my meta description. And not only is that, that's my opening sentence too, right? So I'll go here, paste that in meta, and I need to get my slug. Come back up here. Grab my slug. Oh, I gotta publish it first. That's my slug. Now I see the actual message. We're gonna finish that out now.
Which one?
I'm saying the same thing that we covered. Our truth is good enough, but I'm doing it in a different angle. And that's what I'm gonna put this in here. And I need the right image. We have so many. And I'll come back to that in a second, and then we'll tie. And this is the same thing. It's an article, and it's gonna send them right to our Fine Wines page. Okay, so that's what this will be. True Fine Wine. I'll bold it, hyperlink it. Fine Wines. So I'm using this headline to bring them in, and then I'm going to educate them on why our wines are better, and drive them to the Fine Wines presentation. Okay. You guys haven't seen me do this before. I'm having fun with it. Bear with me. I'm going to do this. Fold there, fine lines. Now make that a heading. Make it a heading 3. Go to text in blue. All right, so I got tip. I want to at least do sets of 3, right? So I got tip number 1, tip number 2, and you're seeing the same thing. I'm giving value. I'm focusing on a niche or a direction. I'm giving value, right? And then I'm giving the direction and more. So tip number 3. So I'm already telling them how to solve it, right? I'm planting the seed, and then obviously problem, solution, problem, solution, problem, solution, close. That formula that I just ripped off there verbally is the way things go. I'm gonna drop some huge nuggets in a second. Let me just complete this. Okay, so I got tip one, tip two, tip three, and then I'm gonna make it easy to read by making it a list. Boom. And I'm gonna make this a heading 3 and my blue. And then I need an image, right? So we got this all spelled out, and I got this spelled out. This is something I need to make a heading. SEO just went green. Readability is probably those dang transition words, right? And the cheap word. So whenever you have and, I'm going to modify that because they are direct to the consumer. The pricing is awesome. Okay, that's great. I need to get some more. I promise you that's what it is. Let's go look at it. SEO. Yep. Oh, key phrase density, images. Okay. Let me get that part done. I need an image and then the keyword density. Definitely got to put there, right? I need the non-hyphenated version. Oh.
Roy, your screen's gone back to being unreadable.
Oh, has it? Okay, hold on. What do I do for that bandwidth? Is it still bad?
It's still bad, yes.
Okay. Okay, do me a favor. Share your screen, but just go pull my page up and then just refresh it so they can see what I'm doing.
Okay.
There's going to be a better way to do this. I'll figure it out. If you just go to rory3.com, here I'll get the page. I'll put it on that. I'll put it on that list.
Okay.
If you can pull up the final lines and dining base value or whatever it is that I'm working on.
Yeah.
Okay. What a bummer. That's good though.
That was DTC, right?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, I put it in the, yeah, you'll find it.
Here it is. It's not sharing, it's black. Um, hmm. Did you stop sharing?
No, you gotta do it again. I know what you did last time. You gotta do the same thing again.
Yeah.
I'm looking for an image of,
Screen share is paused.
I don't know. I don't know how that's doing that on yours. I don't know how you.
There it is. You see it now?
Yeah. Now refresh it. Or at the same page. Well, I'll be. Now try it.
There it is.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm doing. I found an image. I'm going to save it and add it there.
Now, bring your own bottle. That's really popular out in New Jersey. When we go to restaurants out there, almost every one of them, we take our own wine.
Oh, Australia has it everywhere too. I mean, Arizona is funny about it, as I ran into. I never had a problem until like this last time. But yeah, and the thing is, like, people don't. Not everybody understands it. The thing about buying your own wine is, they go to the liquor store, they're going to get it, but get it here. I mean, the value is huge and you can enjoy all that. We just got to get more awareness to this.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. All right, so I'm going to add this image. So I'm adding my image. I'm doing the alt to the key phrase, which is a long one. You know, food and wine hack for recession times. That's the article name, and obviously I twisted around a little bit, but this is an effective way of writing. I'm about ready to have you update it. And this page is referring them to our other page that has a presentation, because we don't have the presentation on here, but that presentation does the heavy lifting. This gets them ready for that. Then they go find out about the club, but they have a reason to find the club because of this. That's the entire angle. And perfect. I'm green. It's ready to go. Go ahead and refresh that, please. No.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Beautiful.
And this is something I'm gonna be marketing out there, because here's the thing: is people are looking for doom and gloom. It attracts them. We want to sweeten it, right? So take something negative, turn it positive, but we want to catch their eyes. We want to catch their eyes and direct it. And this is a funny little thing to do. And I'll tell you this: I know that Tanya and I have people. If we say, "Hey, do you want to do dinner?" and you say, "You guys provide the food, we'll bring the wine. Tell me what you're going to have, or bring something." They'll jump at the chance. And seriously, we know that we're getting our wines for like $30 a bottle, and we might take 2 bottles. That's $60, right? But we're going to have an amazing meal, and everybody's happy. And there's it's about the company you're spending the time, and for them, there's like, I mean, it works out, and that's something that, for people to have. But I mean, your friend with wine knowledge is a great friend to have. I've had, I can't even tell you how many times in my life I've had people say, "Hey, we're going to do dinner, but hey, can you recommend the wine?" And I'll say, "Hey, I'll bring the wine." And they're like, "Really? Absolutely. What are we having?" And even if it's just pizza or it's barbecue, I mean, food's expensive, wine's expensive. You can share it, you can make it. It's just being resourceful, right? However, it gets even better, right? And people that get exposure and things. That's why we got so many customers that signed up. Same way. So we're gonna be spending time on that particular thing. Let me back up my go to code editor and get my stuff and back it up. Hold on. You want to back up as you go, or you may have to, I have to go back and do a bunch of pages because we had to fix a bunch of things, and it's a lot of work. It's just best to do it along the way, for sure. So I got my food and wine hack. I had another thing I wanted to do. See, on time, I think I'm gonna leave that. We have so many wine pages to market to. That's one in that direction. Let's go to. Let's see, we got Velveeta pages. I'm gonna go to SMS. I had the SMS cash page that I built. If you can pull that up, Nell, pull up rory3.com/SMS cash. And I already built this page. I don't need to build it out here, but I want you guys to be aware of it. This is the update of that program that we had. And this is for Androids only. It's been pretty effective. It's running, and SMS cache, no hyphen.
Oh, no, no
Sorry.
hyphen? Okay. There we go.
Now, I need to make some modifications to this page. They no longer need to have a wallet. It works differently, way easier. I still refer them to the crypto.com because that's, well, I've already made like $100 or something in crypto coins from referrals, so I'm going to keep it on there. But the system works way easier than we had before. It says in line, but I need to update it. So let me pull it up in my system. And I am going to rewrite this page to include some other directions, and I'll show that. Oh, let's see, what did I just get? Oh, I had a massive Google AdSense thing in. Oh my gosh. They're getting pretty incredible with their ads. Okay.
Congratulations on joining Savings Highway Global. SHG is the place to be. Many of your SHG benefits, like discounts on dining, shopping, to help you.
Okay. So I'm updating the SMS cache page. If you can refresh that page. I'm going to add one more thing on the bottom right now. I'm doing it right now. All right, so I just put a plug on the bottom of that, and that's a simple thing to do. And this is on this, and I'll post it out there in different places. But it's it's something we're gonna get more and more stuff that's there. It's a page. If you haven't created the SMS cash page, it's good to have. There's no referrals really. It's helping us on the overall marketing, but it's a good thing to have in reference points like in our pages, like for people who get apps and they can see that there's this one and that one. You notice I put something on the bottom. There's a catch. I put that in there, and then I also put something else. Can you refresh it?
Mhm.
No.
Yes.
Okay, scroll down the bottoms. Maybe my update didn't go. Yeah, scroll the bottom. I did an update. Yeah, there it is. So new app here, and that's something else, right? So I just keep showing different things. You never know what it's going to grab there, but SMS cash. I have it listed in some other areas. It's just something that's there. I am going to market it in the right places, so we'll work on that next week. So if you have that page, it's going to be good. But it's also a cross-reference page for other stuff. All right, let's see. All right. So moving along, we got one line page, cover a couple tips. And this writing direction that we're focused on today, where we're doing the headline pages that tie back to other pages, it's a form of advertising by itself, right? We're gravitating people towards a message and a direction and everything else. It's just another, I guess, avenue of marketing in the blogging world. And it's also very popular in mainstream medias where they have articles that draw people's attention. We've been doing it for a long time. And so I want to get more, it's more the advertorial direction, where it's literally like an editorial thing that references something. But in this case, we're referencing information about something we already have, like the page. Like it's like a pre-sales page to our offer page. It's like an endorsement that sends them right to the information to buy it. It's just leading them up there. It's a proven process. All right, Bella Vita pages. Let's see if my internet works again. I'm going to try this, Neil.
Stop the share.
Oh, on SMS cache, if it uninstall it and reinstall it. Get rid of it all and reinstall it if you have a problem. Have the same thing. Uninstall it completely, then reinstall it under the SMS cache thing. You're gonna have to do that. The updates didn't work for me. I had to uninstall it completely and reinstall it. So yeah, get on that. All right, let's see. All right, we covered this. I'm gonna go to we're gonna go to the ability to stuff. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna pause this out and start a whole new session because I want to have it